Hi, I'm Lloyd from Bumstead Bicycles, and I wanted to give you my top 10 picks for accessories for your new road bike. First, safety. Get a helmet. I know by law you don't necessarily have to wear one, but it's not if you crash, it's when. And every doctor and every nurse and every emergency room across this country would say, please wear a helmet. They're light, they're comfortable, they come in a bunch of different sizes, colors, shapes. Almost all of them are safety rated. Find one that you like the way it looks and like the way it fits, so you will wear it. Get a helmet. That's number one. Next on my list, floor pump. Unless you've got a nice air compressor at home with a built-in gauge on it, you need a floor pump. Bicycle tires lose air pressure over time. Even though you don't have a flat tire, you haven't been on your bike in 2 weeks, the tires need topped off. Get a good floor pump, built-in gauge, you can get those tires up to pressure and have a great ride. So, floor pump. Number 3. So now you want to get out on that first ride, it's getting close to summer, and regardless of that, water bottle and cage, you need water. If you're riding more than 15-20 minutes, you're gonna need some fluids. Water bottle and cage, they're not expensive, but trust me, you forget this, you're gonna wish you had it on that ride. Next on the list, again, along the lines of safety, a lot of my customers prefer to have some kind of a mirror on their bike so they can know what's behind them. That way, when they go around a car, they need to get it in another lane or whatever, some kind of a mirror that mounts to the handlebars or to your helmet or eyeglasses work really well. Great safety feature to have. Now you're starting to get out on those rides. You're probably gonna want to have some kind of a bag, either at the bare minimum to carry maybe your wallet and keys. Most of us bike riders though then will carry things to be able to do repairs on the side of the road. So again, bag, really important, nice to have. Most of the time you're wearing clothing that you're not gonna have a lot of pockets. So you want some kind of a bag on the bike, whether it's behind the seat, on the frame, somewhere, carry stuff. Now you've got that. Things to put inside the bag would be tools. Patch kit, these are tire levers for changing a flat tire, a multi-tool that has all the Allen wrenches and screwdrivers. Also recommend then you carry a spare inner tube for the appropriate size of your bike. All of those will fit into one of those bags. Makes it so out on the trail you don't have to call somebody, you can do some basic repairs. Now again, getting into those basic repairs, you need a way to inflate that tire. The most common repair on a bicycle is a flat tire. So, a way to pump it up. Here, traditional pump, airs up the tire, press, boom, air up the tire. A lot of, especially road bike riders, will use a CO2 pump. You're already mad you got a flat tire, sitting here pumping this for 10 minutes to get your tire aired up, you're even more frustrated. CO2, it's like having a little mini air compressor. You puncture the tube, air it, it's aired up in a few seconds, you're back on the ride, good to go. So a couple different kinds of pumps. Next let's go to one accessory-wise that goes along with flat tires. A lot of us, it's not a performance thing, it's I don't want a flat tire. There's things you can do. There's tire sealants. This one's from a brand called Flat Attack. There's others out there, Stop Flats. There's all kinds of brands. Basically, you put this inside the tube and it goes and prevents flats as you get them. Another favorite of ours are tire liners. You lay this piece of plastic inside your tire and then insert your tube after that, and it's a barrier so that glass, thorns, stickers, anything that's gonna try and puncture through your tire, it's a protective layer so that the tube doesn't go flat. So again, flat protection, definitely consider that. Next on the list, security. You wanna walk into Starbucks, you're gonna park somewhere to go into a store. You wanna lock your bicycle. All different kinds. We highly recommend either a U-lock or a hardened chain. Cable locks, like you'll see, very inexpensive, very easily cut, not so recommended. But definitely a U-lock or cable lock, consider one of those if you don't want your bike to be gone when you come back. And then, now that you're riding a lot, it might start getting dark. I would highly recommend getting a light set. There's battery operated, there's rechargeable systems, huge benefits to having lights, because you never know. You start out and all of a sudden you're riding a lot farther than you used to and it starts to get dark. It's great to have lights. Those are my top 10 picks for what you'd need to go on a road bike ride. And if you're in the neighborhood, stop by. We sell all of these products here in the store. If you're not, we should have links at the bottom of the video to some of these products on Amazon. Thanks.